along, this is the Telegram link t.me/digimento. Okay, this is the Telegram link. Now, before starting our today's class, this is one notice that is very much important for you all and is of your interest, that postponement of the UGC NET December 2020 cycle exam. Okay, so this means that first thing, our exam is postponed. Okay, now it is not on 2nd of May. Okay, it has been postponed. Okay, everyone. Then what they have written here, they are saying that it has been decided to postpone the exam. The revised dates for the exam will be announced later and at least 15 days before the exam. Okay, so second thing is that now we don't know when our exam will be, and the information will be given to us 15 days prior. This means that now you don't know when is your exam, when will be your exam held, but we know that at least 15 days ka margin we'll be having with us. Okay, because before 15 days they'll give at least 15 days for preparation so that you can have a revision. But you should not just now know, अब ऐसे आराम से मत हो जाना कि okay ठीक है अब तो exam गया. No, now it's time that we should just brush up our concepts again and do the revision part again, because when last year this thing started, this thing started from May and the exam was held in November. Right, this thing was the exam was in November. If I talk about 2020, now for 2021 there is no news as such when will be the exam, but let's just hope the exam will be somewhere in July, August. I think, I'm not sure because they have not given any information. In 2020, when the exam was postponed of May session, the exam was held in November. Okay, so for now we only know that our exam has been postponed, and the news when the exam will be held, it will be given to us 15 days prior. Okay, so everyone, just do not lose your preparation, do not lose your speed of preparation, just prepare at the same way that you're preparing. Okay, and those who are in their basic knowledge, they also have a lot of time now to prepare, so prepare accordingly. Okay, and this is the information that I wanted to share with you all. So you can find this this notice is basically is on the Twitter channel of Ministry of Education. Okay, I tried to find it on the NTNet, this website, but it was not there, but it was mentioned by the Ministry of Education on its Twitter handle. Okay, hello Jaspreet, good evening. Okay, everyone, so this is the new update that we have, and now according to this postponement we will see how we can move forward with our exams, with our preparation, what we can do. Okay, if you have any suggestions, I'll be welcoming them all. So if you have any suggestions, do send them, do tell me what are your suggestions, what you want, and then we will try to schedule it in some other way. Okay, now today we will be discussing an important topic, that is your this is your COCOMO model. Okay,